So here's an interesting website if you're interested to earn on YouTube is affiliate deals. This website is just called Affiliate Hub. So here you can just go to shoppingwithyoutube.com. This is the website. And then you can see some of the cool promotions here. Like this is just, just a website which just lists all the deals with it. You can see, which brands are currently in this time slot offering some nice commissions and nice deals. For example, you can see to January 4th, Target is getting 20% up to 20% on commission with Target. Then there is a performance bonus. Then there is 16% commission during Black Friday sale from Ulta Beauty. So Samsung. So yeah, and then you can just see here and then take advantage. Tag now through December to earn 15% on mobile internet. Fans can save up to 25% of some products during their Black Friday event. So yeah, like this is just the list of products which YouTube suggests you to tag in your videos. And new brand, there's Lego. It's easy to navigate and see, okay, if I have a beauty content, these are the top brands I need to tag right now. So it can be quite helpful. And then you can find some niche brands. You can find some all brands, requested product samples. You can see some creators who are doing it right. You can see some reviews, and then you can just take a video. Then you can just see top promotions, high commission brands. You can just then take a look at all brands. So yeah, this is quite convenient website. I didn't know it actually exists. I just tried out this affiliate program, and yeah, then maybe you can earn some revenue with it. So give it a try.